Hello, you vivacious creatives. Thank you so much for joining me as I announce the winner for my first giveaway. I'm planning on having another giveaway soon, so make sure that you stay tuned to my channel to find out the details for the next giveaway. I hope that everyone is staying healthy and safe, and I hope that you're taking care of each other and your neighbors as we all get through this coronavirus quarantine, which hopefully will be ending soon. I'm actually late posting the video of this giveaway winner because my daughter and I have been busy making soap. We have made 60 pounds of soap over the last couple of days. I'm not kidding. 60 pounds of soap. Do you know how much soap that is? I have soap everywhere. I bring that up because the winner is also going to be receiving a couple of bars of our homemade soap when I send out the package. So let's get to it. I wanted to first thank everybody for their comments and for subscribing to my channel. It means a lot to me, especially as a new YouTuber, and I loved reading everybody's comments. But the winner, I used a random number generator to choose the winner, and the winner is number 27, Natasha Hollabaugh. I hope I said your name right. I'm sorry if I didn't. Natasha says, I would love to win. I'm new to alcohol inks and am in desperate need of supplies as our only craft store is closed. This hobby has helped me quit smoking and helps my depression. And Natasha, I couldn't think of a better winner to choose, and I'm so glad that the random number generator chose you. All you have to do is email me at queencatherine@gmail.com within the next 5 days, and I will be sure to get your prize pack in the mail to you. Don't worry if you just missed my email address, as I put it in the description box of every video that I've posted. So just look down and you'll be able to find my email address. And as soon as you send me your shipping information, I will be happy to send you your prizes. Thank you to everybody for entering. It means a lot to me that you guys support my channel. And I hope that you join me for my next video on Sunday. I post a new video every Sunday morning. And this Sunday's will be all about the don'ts of creating a geode. Trust me, there are some don'ts. So we will go over those in my next video on Sunday. I hope to see you then. Thank you so much for joining this giveaway. I wish everybody the best of luck next time. I'm only sorry that I couldn't give away more than one prize pack. I'm thinking of all of you. I want you to stay healthy, wash your hands, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.